Hi, my name is Guillermo Mariano, and in this video, I'm going to be showcasing to you one of the finished products that I helped deliver for my client in my last engagement. The product was a courseware web application built using Angular for Northwestern University. Let me show it to you. So here in my browser, I'm going to access the local instance of the application running on machine. And the name of the project was Flipped French, so that's why you have the two F's here. So this custom web app was built to reinforce French language material for second-year students. And one of my many responsibilities for this project was to build reusable web components for this application. So what those web components did is essentially render each one of the questions, present the students with the multiple options that they could select, and then the ability to capture those responses. So in addition to that, I was also responsible for architecting the communication between each one of these web components for the entire application. I also helped build the web animations. I fixed bugs, and I performed other enhancements to to the existing web application and some of the existing code base. So one of the great things about this project is that I got to work building custom animations. So previously in some of my other engagements, what I had done is I had pulled into the project some sort of design system that came with its own pre-built web animations, for example, Google material, or I also pulled in sometimes the CSS library like Bootstrap, and those came with their own pre-built animations that you could just reuse and just pull into your view templates. Here, I got to build my own custom animations using Angular's web animations language, which was pretty cool. The other thing I got to do is I got to implement dynamic audio, which is something that I had never done for some of the other business applications that I had delivered for large organizations. So let me show you an example of that. So let's go to one of the components here. So if you select incorrect responses and then you submit those responses, you'll get immediate audio feedback about those responses.
Attention, est-ce que le mot qui suit est un nom, un pronom ou un adjectif?
So here you get some feedback giving you a hint that, well, first your response was wrong. Try it again, and just giving you some sort of hint as to what you need to select.
Hey.
So in the same way that you get feedback for incorrect submissions, you also get feedback for correct submissions. So overall, in addition to doing a lot of the development for this project, I also gave frequent updates to the lead developer and the director of the department. I also gave a presentation to the French language professors, who were the main key stakeholders for this project and who were very happy with the finished product. At the end of the project, I was able to deliver a fully featured web application front end that was ready to be connected to a back-end service for immediate use. And I went home knowing that at the end of the day, my work was going to help with the understanding and retention of the French language for Northwestern students. Okay, well, that's all I have. If you wish to connect with me and just find out more about what I do, I'm available on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a social media platform for professionals. If you have an account, please log in and find me and connect with me. You can also follow me on Twitter. So I post some frequent updates on Twitter about what I'm doing or some of my articles, as well as I like to reshare a lot of useful articles that talk about web application development that some of you may find useful. Okay, thank you very much. Take care. Bye.